What if I told you that you could earn $500 a month in passive income without buying a single stock, managing tenants, or investing in risky crypto? Just with bonds. Yeah, I know. Bonds sound boring, but boring can be beautiful, especially when that boring pays you like clockwork. Month after month, no late-night price checks, no headaches. In fact, some of the wealthiest people on the planet quietly use bonds to generate predictable income. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build a bond portfolio that can pay you $500 every single month, passively. You'll learn what bonds actually are in plain English, the 3 types of bonds that are perfect for passive income, exactly how much you need to invest to earn $500 a month, where to buy bonds safely and easily, and the reinvestment strategy that doubles your income over time. Plus, I'll break down a real-life case study of someone who reached this goal in just a few years, without being a financial genius. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's make passive income simple. Meet Sarah. She's 45, works in HR, and lives in Texas. Over the years, she saved about $50,000, not enough to retire, but enough to make her money work. She hated the stress of the stock market. One day it's up 2%, the next it's down 3%. Crypto made her dizzy. Real estate felt like a second job. So she decided to try something different: bonds. Here's how she set up her portfolio. $25,000 in Treasury bonds. Ultra safe, $15,000 in municipal bonds. Tax-free income, $10,000 in corporate bonds. For that extra yield, that portfolio earns her about 6% a year, or roughly $250 a month. But Sarah reinvests that income every single month, and by year 5, she's comfortably earning over $500 a month on autopilot. So what exactly is a bond? A bond is like an IOU. You lend money to a government, city, or company, and they promise to pay you back with interest. That interest payment is called a coupon, and it's typically paid out every 6 months. In some cases, with bond ETFs, it's even monthly. And unlike stocks, where prices jump all over the place and dividends can get cut, bond payments are predictable, written into a contract. You know when you'll get paid, how much, and for how long. It's like getting a paycheck without a job. Now, let's talk about the 3 main types of bonds that make this strategy work. 1. Treasury bonds, issued by the U.S. government. These are considered risk-free because they're backed by Uncle Sam. Yields are lower, around 4 to 4.5%, but safety is unmatched. 2. Municipal bonds, munis, issued by states, cities, and local agencies. The magic? They're often tax-free, especially at the federal level. If you're in a high tax bracket, these can boost your after-tax returns significantly. 3. Corporate bonds, issued by companies like Macy's, Saks, or Ford. These offer the highest yields, sometimes 8 to 15%, but carry a lot more risk. That's why we stick to investment-grade bonds, meaning the company has a solid credit rating like the Amazon, Microsoft, and Home Depot. Bonus tip: if you don't want to pick individual bonds, use bond ETFs. These are pre-packaged collections of bonds you can buy with one click, and they pay monthly. Okay, let's talk real numbers. How much do you need to invest to earn $500 a month? That's $6,000 a year. If your average yield is 4%, you'll need to invest $150,000. If your yield is 6%, you'll need $100,000. But here's the deal. If you start with $50,000 and reinvest every coupon payment, your income will grow. It's the snowball effect. You'll reach $500 a month faster than you think, often within 5 to 7 years, even if you start with $10K or $20K. You're planting seeds. Where do you actually buy bonds? You've got 3 main options. Treasury bonds. Use treasurydirect.gov. It's free, safe, and you're buying straight from the U.S. government. Brokerages. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. They offer tools to buy corporate and municipal bonds. Bond ETFs. Use apps like Robinhood or Webull to buy ETFs like BND. Total Bond Market TLT. Long-term treasuries, LQD. Investment-grade corporate bonds, BE. Municipal bonds ETFs pay monthly and are great for beginners. Here's where the magic happens. Reinvest your income. Every month you get paid, don't spend it. Use that income to buy more bonds or ETF shares. It's the snowball effect in action. $100 a month becomes $150, then $250, then $500, and most brokerages let you automate this. That's how Sarah hit her goal, without adding more money. Let's compare bonds to other passive income ideas. Investment type risk. Income. Consistency effort. Startup cost, bonds. Offer low risk compared to dividend stocks, which is medium risk. Whereas real estate is medium to high risk. Compared that with crypto staking risk is high and inconsistent cash flows. With bonds, you won't get rich overnight, but you'll sleep better knowing your income won't vanish in a crash. Let's address some common concerns. What about inflation? Use tips. Treasury inflation, protected securities. What if interest rates drop? Build a bond ladder. Stagger your maturities so you always have income coming due. Are bonds even safe anymore? Stick to treasuries, munis from stable states, and investment-grade corporates. Avoid junk bonds unless you know what you're doing. Here's your step-by-step plan. Step 1. Set your goal. $100, $250, or $500 month. Step 2. Choose your bond mix. A good starting point is 50% Treasury, 30% Muni, 20% corporate. Step 3. Open your account, Treasury Direct, or a brokerage like Vanguard. Step 4. Reinvest every single month. This is how you grow consistent passive income, one coupon at a time. The best-kept secret of wealthy investors? Predictable income. Bonds don't get headlines, but they get results. Imagine this: a $500 month rolling in every month. No volatility, no tenants, no stress. Just calm, steady cash flow. This is quiet wealth. Your future doesn't need to be flashy. It needs to be funded. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Next up, I'll show you how to build a bond ladder, a strategy that pays you every single month, no matter what interest rates do. Click here to watch it now and start building your passive income stream today.